This is a forest rat that has been cleaned, seasoned, and cooked until tender. In some areas, this is an exotic food that is considered delicious and full of protein. The aroma? Savory, similar to roast chicken, but with a unique, distinctive aroma. The texture? So juicy. The meat is tender, a bit like rabbit, but more aromatic. The spice flavor really penetrates, especially the thigh part. My favorite.
Nhanh. Nhưng bà ổn, thì lụa chân tiện lòng bà ổn nào, dưới thắt nhanh. Ôi, chiết mong. Đã mà khẳng này. Khẳng này.